The next one is you have to chamfer the shaft, because at the end it was given the shaft was chamfered to 2 mm and angle of chamfer 45 degree. So from here you mark 2 mm. So 45 degree approximately it will come like this. Similarly, this shaft will also be chamfered to 2 mm. So here key is coming, so this will not extend here. Also, the flange was chamfered here in the same manner. You can see here the flange also chamfered to a length of 2 mm and angle 45 degree. You can see here the chamfer line. Likewise, you mark 2 mm here and 2 mm. So this distance is 2 mm, this distance is also 2 mm, so automatically you will get 45 mm line. So if you project this line here, you will get another circle. So I am taking the distance here and drawing another circle. So that's all. You have assembled all the parts. Then you have to mark dimensions. So as you know, this length is 30 mm. So we can mark here 30 mm. And this to this distance is 40. And this distance is 8 mm and eight mm. And here you can see this circle diameter is 120 mm. And the outer diameter circle is 132 mm. So the outer diameter circle was given here 132, 132, and another circle, this circle diameter was given here 120. So diameter you have to indicate with the pi, 132, and this diameter is 120, pi 120. So like this you have to dimension the drawing, and also you have to mark the parts. So this part is part number 2. So this one is here. So you just mark a point and then extend your line. And draw a circle. I am choosing 10 mm diameter circle. Part number 2. Similarly, the shaft is part number 3. So here you mark a point and draw a line. So part number 3. And also you have to hatch the sectioned view. You have to draw hatching lines here. So your final drawing will be like this. This one is the half sectional front view. I have drawn the hatching lines here. You can see different parts are hatched at different angle, and you should not section the keys and the shaft, and also bolt. For in convention, we should not cut this bolt or nut to view the drawing clearly. And this one is a side view, left side view. You have to write like this: left side view, half sectional front view, and you have to mark all the parts, 1 to 8 parts you have to mark, and also you have to mark the dimension like this, and also you have to draw the bill of material. In this drawing I have also drawn the right side view also, because these two view you can get some little bit difference, because if you see from the right side, you can see the bolt head here, and you can see the bush. You can get a circle here. The bush diameter was given. So here you can see the bush diameter was given 25. So this circle will be of 25 mm diameter. Okay. This circle is because of the washer. The washer diameter was given 24. So this circle is of diameter 24. This circle is about 1 mm bigger. So 25 mm diameter you have to use for bush. Okay. So that's all. You have completed the drawing. For more details, you can read the description. Thank you.